Hello guys, welcome to another SMC DAO tutorials, and on today's tutorials we'll be having an introduction to the Keplr wallet. First you need to get your Keplr wallet from the Google Play Store or your iOS store. That's the app store for iOS users. All I need to do is just type on the Keplr and I would install the wallet. So while it's installing, the Keplr wallet is just a fast, simple and secure wallet that plugs you into any blockchain. It has a multi-chain feature and it's on the Cosmos ecosystem because that's where it was originated from. So my Keplr wallet is installing. Okay, so while it's installing, I've installed my wallet. All I have to do is just open it up and we get ready for the setup. Right, you could see the wallet icon here, Keplr wallet version 2. So I would love to remind you about seed phrases. All you need to do is just create a new wallet, create new recovery phrase, and you have to write down your seed phrases on a piece of paper or in a notebook. Please do not save your seed phrase online to avoid a lot of complications and also to avoid them from online frauds and online theft, right? So I would write this down. After writing my seed phrase down, I click on next. Please remember, you have to back up your seed phrase safely, and it prompts me to input word number 7 and word number 8 from my seed phrase, suggest and unaware, right? And I just give it a wallet name, SMC tutors, and I create a password. I then click on next and it sets my Keplr wallet up. Right, let us set everything up for you. It's 0/100. So as my Keplr wallet is getting set up, I wait. Alright, so my wallet is at 100%, and all I have to do is just click on selected chains. I would click on selected chains in here, possibly about 13, or we could just stop at 10. Right, the purpose of these chains are different blockchains where you could get different addresses from all different networks, and I click on save. Alright, I'm all set. I enable my biometric and done. And here is the main dashboard of my Keplr wallet. You could see total available balance, deposit by, send them, and all the different chains I added, about 11 different chains and available balances, right? You could see the SMC tutors, which is the name of your wallet, right? I'll be showing you on different features of the Keplr wallet. If you click on these 3 lines at the top left corner, you could find manage chain visibility, which were encountered at the creation of wallet, right, where you could see the different chains are selected, and you could also find your addition of tokens, right? How to add tokens into your Keplr wallet. Let's say from a different blockchain. Let's say I want to add the token from the injective blockchain, and I click on add token. All I have to do is just paste in the contract address of that particular token and the name, the symbol and decimal, and I click on confirm. That's how to add token from your Keplr wallet. And the next feature we see is the lock wallet feature. It's for you to lock your wallet from unauthorized access, and you could see the DApp feature here, like our F right here. This is the DApp feature where you could log into other decentralized applications directly from your Keplr wallet, and you could log into Vexes and swaps, and you could even browse about a lot of things from here, from the DApp section. So you could see our settings and our general settings, where you could find your USD, that's the currency you'd want your tokens to be displayed in, your contacts, that's addresses you've saved, and manage non-native chains, where you could shoot add where you could still add non-native chains and onto your Keplr wallet, right? And you get to see to update your Keplr version 2 and manage chain visibility, which we saw on the top left corner of the 3 lines, and you could still see the 11 chains, right? And you could see your security and privacy, your connected website where you could disconnect from, your manage wallet connect, and your change password, and the use biometric authentication, right? Now we're back to the main dashboard of the Keplr wallet, where we'll see the deposit, buy, and send feature. Let's say I want to send Atom, which is more like the native chain for the Keplr wallet, or I want to receive Atom. All I have to do is click on it, and you could see here's the send option. I paste in the address I want to send it to and the amount, and also a memo, and it requires a transaction fee of 0.0075 Atom. That's how to send any cryptocurrency out. And how to receive: you simply click on the deposit feature over here, and you could see they have different addresses for different blockchains. For the Cosmos blockchain, the address starts from Cosmos and whatever is written there, and the Agro, it starts from Agro, and the Akash, it starts from Akash. So these are different wallet address, but in the same Keplr wallet. That means Keplr wallet has a lot of multi-chains in it, and it's one of the best wallet out there in the Cosmos ecosystem. So this here is the stake feature in the Keplr wallet, where you could stake your asset to earn rewards and contribute to maintaining all networks, right? All you need to do is just click on stake, and you search for the asset you want to stake, and every other options will be available for you. So these are all the features on the Keplr wallet. So do well to like the video, subscribe to SMC Tutor channel, and turn on notifications for more educative video on the SMC Tutor channel. Then if you have any question concerning the Keplr wallet, all you need to do is just comment on the comment section, and we'll be there to address your question. Thank you for watching. Do have a lovely day.